Get some disk drives from old CPUs, I have plenty of them. Now disassemble it. We need the stepper motor, the 8mm rod and the laser head. You can take out the stepper motor easily, and the rod and the laser head together as well. We just need a smaller portion of this laser head. First the nylon top and second the sliding bottom. I have already cut some of these using a hacksaw. When you cut it, you will understand that which part is needed to get removed. You can see I have all the things already ready. Stepper motor and the remaining portion of the laser head, which I don't need anymore. This is the part I need. You can see there's a nylon locking mechanism at the top with a spring. This is supposed to grind with the lead screw of that stepper motor. I have measured the dimensions painstakingly to 3D print it, as you can see. Not this one, not this one, not this one as well, because that's why, and that's why. This is the thing which I was looking for. You can see the motion is quite smooth, it's not tight, it's easy to slide. I have put two magnets to attach something here. We need a longer screw for the edge. I have used a M2 8mm screw. Time to test it. I am using an Arduino Uno with DRB825. I have set the reference voltage as 0.149 and it works. It has a acceptable torque, and now there is no micro stepping, so it is taking 20 steps for one complete rotation, which is common for these kind of motors. The only problem here is the top PLA plate, which is prone to bend if the screw is too tight. So I am working on a thicker version and I will update the file. Now I have a thicker upper plate and I have updated the overall design once again with a 12mm M2 screw. You have to make sure that the torque should be sufficient for your application. For my application it was fine, but for some reason the holes were too tight, so I have used 3.25mm drill for only the part where it felt tight. Now it is ready to go, and I've already made two holes such that I can put brass inserts on them. For my application I have to make sure that this screw is not too tight. You can tweak it according to your application. You can switch the position for the brass inserts if you find a need for it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.